How to fix missing calendar in Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. And as you can see, I don't have the calendar application right here. So it should be in the sidebar. So there are different solutions that we can do for this. So the first one is that we can bring back the calendar right here by just pinning it to the sidebar. So maybe you have accidentally unpinned it or removed the pin. So what we need to do is that we need to click View More Apps, type in Calendar. You should see the calendar application right here. Just click on it, and then now we have the calendar. But if you don't pin it, when I click on another application, as you can see, the calendar disappears. So again, we need to open the calendar application and then right click and then pin right here. So now you will see the line be removed and then you can move it around in your sidebar. And then when I click on a different app, as you can see, the calendar still remains right here. If you have accidentally unpinned it, for example, let me unpin, the line will go back, and then when you click on another application, the calendar disappears. So again, just don't forget to pin it right here. So sometimes you need to click this multiple times to be unpinned or pinned. But anyway, since we already have the calendar right here, that is that. So now, if you still cannot see your calendar, what you can do is that you can go to the admin settings of Microsoft Teams. So to do that, you also need to be a administrator account in your company or in the account that you're using. So to do that, I will go to the browser and you need to go here to Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So the URL is admin.teams.microsoft.com. So just go here and then open Teams apps, click on Setup Policies. From here, click on Global. And then scroll down and then you should see Calendar right here. If you cannot see Calendar, for example, I'll remove it. We can just click Add Apps, search Calendar. And then you will see a lot of different calendar applications right here. But the default calendar for Microsoft Teams is this one, the purple background with the white icon. And then the name just says Calendar. From here, just click Select, click Add. Now you have the calendar right here. You can change its position by just dragging here. There's two lines right here, and then I prefer it right here beside the chat application. So just click Save, click Confirm. From here, go back to Microsoft Teams, and then you need to reset Microsoft Teams first. So to do that, just go ahead and go to the tray right here, right click on Teams, and then click Quit Teams. From there, open Microsoft Teams again. And then you should now have the calendar application back in your sidebar. So let me go ahead and use my account earlier, which is this one. And then you should now see the calendar application right here. So I think it's removed because I was having some bugs earlier. So let me just pin it right here again. And then now we have the calendar application. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the missing calendar in Microsoft Teams. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.